Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to make money online and build a steady income stream, affiliate marketing might just be the perfect fit. Stick around because I will show you everything you need to build a profitable affiliate website step by step. Introduction to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and make a purchase, you receive a portion of the sale. Affiliate marketing can be a highly lucrative form of passive income, especially if you build a website that attracts consistent traffic and effectively promotes relevant products. With dedication and the right strategies, an affiliate marketing website can serve as a steady income source with long-term growth potential. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. What is a niche? A niche is a specific segment of the market focused on a particular topic or interest. Choosing a niche helps you target a more precise audience and establish authority, making it easier to rank well in search engines. Successful niches are those with sufficient demand, low competition, and product with high commission rates. Benefits of a niche. Focusing on a niche streamlines your content strategy and audience targeting, enabling you to resonate with people generally interested in your offering. By concentrating on a niche, you can build a loyal following and create content that directly addresses the needs and interests of your audience. This targeted approach also makes it easier to implement search engine optimization techniques effectively. Tips for choosing a niche. Researching your niche is essential. Here are the steps to identify a profitable niche. Research using tools. Google Trends. This tool allows you to check if a topic is growing in popularity, helping you to avoid niches that may be declining. Ahrefs and SEMrush. These tools can help you analyze search volume and competition for keywords related to your niche. A balance between high demand and low competition is ideal. Evaluate potential earnings. Look for niches where products offer high commissions. Categories like health and wellness, personal finance, and technology often have affiliate programs with generous payouts. Check longevity. Avoid niches that are based on temporary trends or seasonal interests. Instead, opt for a niche that will have sustained interest year-round. Step 2. Select affiliate programs. What are affiliate programs? Affiliate programs are partnerships with businesses that offer products or services to promote. When you join an affiliate program, you receive a unique link that tracks sales from your website, attributing those purchases to you. How to choose the right affiliate program? Finding the right affiliate program is critical. Here are steps to consider. 1. Research reputable affiliate networks. Networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, and Rakuten Marketing host various affiliate programs. These platforms offer a wide selection of products, allowing you to choose those that align best with your niche. Two, look for niche-specific platforms. Some industries have specialized platforms such as Booking.com for travel or Chewy for pet products. This can help you find products closely related to your niche. 3. Consider commission rates and cookie duration. Commission rates vary widely by program. Evaluate whether the payout is worth your efforts. Also look at the cookie duration, the period during which a sale can be attributed to you. Longer cookie durations are beneficial as they increase your chances of earning a commission. 4. Review product quality. Only promote products you trust and that offer genuine value. Building trust with your audience is crucial, and promoting subpar products can harm your reputation. Step 3. Set up your website. Choose a domain and hosting provider. 1. Domain name. Pick a domain name that's short, memorable, and closely related to your niche. Tools like Namecheap and GoDaddy offer domain registration. 2. Web hosting. Reliable hosting ensures your site runs smoothly. Companies like Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator provide affordable high-quality hosting with customer support. Install WordPress as your CMS. WordPress is a popular and versatile content management system that's ideal for affiliate marketing sites. It's free, user-friendly, and compatible with numerous themes and plugins to enhance functionality. Install essential plugins. Plugins can help optimize your website for better performance and improved functionality. Here are some recommended plugins. Yoast SEO. Assist with search engine optimization by guiding you on keyword usage, meta descriptions, and readability. WP Rocket. Speeds up your site by catching content and optimizing files, which improves user experience and SEO. Thirsty Affiliates. Simplifies affiliate link management, allowing you to clock and organize links for better tracking. Step 4. Create high-quality content. Content types for affiliate marketing. Effective affiliate content should help your audience make purchasing decisions and provide valuable information. Here are 3 primary types of content. 1. Product reviews. Provide honest, detailed reviews of products you are promoting. Focus on benefits, drawbacks, and unique features to build credibility. Comparison articles. Comparing similar products help readers decide which one suits them best. Use pros and cons, features, and side-by-side analysis for clarity. Informational content. Educational articles that offer solutions or insights can naturally incorporate affiliate links without being overly promotional. Keyword research using keyword tools. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ubersuggest help you identify keywords with high buyer intent, such as best fitness trackers or top meal delivery services. Focusing on long tail keywords. Long tail keywords, for example, best noise cancelling headphones for travelers, are specific and less competitive, making it easier to rank in search results. Quality matters. Always aim to produce high quality, honest content. Be transparent with your audience about affiliate links and focus on genuinely helping readers make informed choices. Step 5. Optimize for SEO. On-page SEO techniques. 1. Keyword placement. Use your primary keyword in the title, headers, and body of your content, but avoid keyword stuffing. 2. Optimize meta descriptions. Meta descriptions are visible in search engine results, so make them compelling and keyword rich. 3. Add alt text to images. Descriptive alt text helps search engine understand image content and improves accessibility. Backlink building. 1. Guest posting. Write articles for reputable blogs in your niche, linking back to your website. This boosts credibility and help with SEO. 2. Partnering with bloggers. Collaborate with other bloggers to cross-promote each other's content. Site speed and mobile optimization. A fast, mobile-friendly site is essential, as many users access websites on mobile devices. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify areas for improvement, such as image compression and server response times. Step 6. Promote your website. Social media marketing. 1. Platform selection. Focus on platforms popular within your niches. Instagram for beauty, Pinterest for DIY. 2. Engage with followers. Respond to comments, answer questions, and foster a community to build trust and loyalty. Email marketing. Encourage visitors to subscribe by offering a free resource like an ebook. Use platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit to manage your email list and send regular content updates. Paid advertising. 1. Start small. Begin with a modest budget on Google Ads or Facebook Ads to test which audience respond best. 2. Target specific demographics. Choose keywords and demographics aligned with your niche for effective targeting. Step 7. Track and analyze your performance. Google Analytics. Monitor where your traffic originates, which pages attract the most visitors, and what type of content performs best. Affiliate platform analytics. Analyze click-through rates, conversions, and revenue from your affiliate dashboard. Identify which products and pages drive the most sales. Adjust based on data. Update content regularly with new keywords, images, or product information to improve ranking and conversions. Testing different approaches help refine what resonates most with your audience. Step 8. Scale and diversify. Continuously publish content around relevant keywords and topics which will drive traffic and establish authority. Diversify your affiliate partnership to avoid over-relying on a single program. Testing new products allows you to identify which are most profitable. Consider additional monetization. Beside affiliate links, you can add revenue streams like display ads or sell digital products such as ebooks or courses if they are relevant to your niche. Starting an affiliate marketing website involves selecting a profitable niche, building a functional website, creating quality content, and promoting your site strategically. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Now you have got all the basics to start building your own affiliate marketing website. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Good luck and happy earning!